Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to post video to Instagram Reels. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Instagram app. After you open up your Instagram app, go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Go ahead and click on videos. Then from your videos right here, select the video you want to post. I want to post this particular video right here. Just like so. I will select the video. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on next. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead, click on edit cover. So from the preview right here, choose any cover that's suitable to your post. Once you are done, go ahead and click on done right here. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is to write caption and the hashtag. So for that, go ahead and write caption. Then go ahead and add hashtag. Once you're done with your hashtag, scroll down right here and go ahead and make sure you click on audience. Make sure you make sure you click on everyone right here. Then scroll down right here. You can decide to share your reels into your trend. So for that, go ahead and make sure you turn on this. So once you are done, then go ahead and click on back. Then you have the preview right here, the caption, the hashtag. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on next. Then go ahead and click on share. Go ahead and click on share. Go ahead and click on not now.